Hey, this is Tom Toronto from Team Toronto and Keller Williams Realty. I just wanted to bring something to your attention. As you're aware, a lot of open houses and traditional showings probably are not going to be taking place for the next few weeks. Just wanted to let you know, if you're in the process of selling your home, that we are one of the few teams here in Brevard that has our own Matterport camera. This is a full 3D camera. It creates the dollhouse view of your property, so people from anywhere can do an entire walkthrough. We'll include some links of some samples of some of the, it's called a Matterport camera. And so what we can do with that is, while we may not be having a normal open house, we can do a virtual open house, get the 3D tour of your home, and then promote it online extensively. As you're aware, a lot of things right now are taking place through Zoom and Skype and video conferencing. We're doing the same. We're showing properties. We can do it via our 3D virtual tours. We do it through Skype. We do it through FaceTime, and we also use BombBomb, which is a video email service. So if you're looking to still get showings on your property, talk with us. We do our 3D virtual tours for our clients 100% for free. So we'd love to talk with you more about it. Talk to you soon.